A splash of truth. Understanding, dose of reality. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, dose of reality. This expression is used quite frequently in English, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. Dose of reality is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone is confronted with the truth about something, often after being oblivious or ignorant about it. It's like suddenly being made aware of the actual situation or the hard facts. This phrase is often used in scenarios where someone needs to face the harsh truths instead of indulging in illusions or unrealistic expectations. The term dose typically refers to a measured amount of something, often medicine. So, dose of reality metaphorically suggests that reality is being given in a measured, sometimes impactful, way, much like medicine. It's used in everyday conversations, news, and media to indicate a wake-up call or a moment of realization. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. After failing his first exam, John had a real dose of reality about the need to study harder. 2. The documentary served as a dose of reality about the impacts of climate change. These examples show how the phrase is used to denote a moment of realization or coming to terms with hard truths. I hope this video has been a helpful dose of reality in understanding this interesting phrase. Remember, language learning is all about exploring and understanding such expressions to enrich your conversational skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this lesson if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.